schoolmates, so dahil napag-usapan na natin ang love to dating, so syempre ito na ang climax ng lahat in this generation. De
Yes.
joke lang. So pag-uusapan naman natin yung heartbreaks. Yan yung ayaw nating mangyari, no? So how do you guys deal with heartbreaks? So simulan muna natin kay Mylene. Yes.
For myself, I am lucky na I have a good support system.
Okay.
Kasi super supportive ng fam, especially ng papa ko sa akin. Ever since I started dating, he's been there. Very present siya. Like, nag-a-advise sa akin, sinasabi yung mga wrongdoings ko. And he's not trying na yung pagalitan ako. Like, talagang pagsasabihan kanya one-on-one lang. Ganun. So, I am lucky na when in terms of breakup, marami kong nasasandalan, not just my family, but also my present friends.
Yes,
Na
yes.
if I wanna hang out, they will be there. Ganon. Kaya po, when it comes to breakup, parang not totally na madali siya, but it is somehow manageable.
Manageable.
Yes.
Mas okay nga yun na hindi ka mag-isa, no? Yun ang heartbreak. Hermione, ikaw, have you ever experienced a heartbreak and how did you deal with it?
Yes, of course, I've experienced breakups, but ang opposite nung nangyari sa akin kay Mylene. Sa kanya, she has her family. Ako naman, hindi kasi ako open about my love life sa family ko. And nung pag-deal ko sa heartbreak ko na yun is actually mag-isa lang ako. So, well, hindi naman na siya naging mahirap sa akin because yung previous partner ko nun is LDR kami. So, nasanay din ako na maging independent and parang naging normal days lang siya sa akin but more painful. And
Iyak na si Hermione. Parang joke lang.
yung naging deal ko noon is actually kasi working din ako noon
Yeah.
nung dinideal ko yung situation na yun. So parang nakatulong din na naging busy ako doon and may mga kasama kong friends at the little moments na babawasan yung iniisip ko about heartbreaks.
Yeah,
Kahit pa paano
yeah.
nag-e-enjoy ako with my friends during our shift, ganyan.
Yeah.
Yes.
And ewan ko, slowly lang din na nahanap ko din yung pace ko ulit. Nahanap ko ulit yung happiness ko, kung sino nga ba talaga ako, kung ano nga ba talaga ako without the heartbreak.
Right.
And ayun, naging masaya lang din ako.
Love that.
Eventually, after kung, syempre pinagdaanan ko pa rin yun. And hindi ko lang siya pinagdaanan. Of course, natuto din ako doon.
Okay.
And na-figure out ko kung ano ba yung mga naging mali. And by that, doon ko dinala sa next relationship ko na if ever, eto yung mga ayaw ko, doon naging vocal yon. And of course, kinonsult ko din muna sa mga friends ko.
Yeah.
Na,
So, talagang
Yeah.
friends ang naging sandalan mo
Yes.
noong time
Oo.
na yun. So, but then, Coach Joe, ikaw, would you say, what is the healthiest way to deal with a heartbreak? Kasi other people, they become more self-destructive after. Yan yung makikita mo, yes, baddie era, gano'n, gaganon sa party, ganyan, makita mo, nakadusay na siya. Oh my God, that's heartbreak broke me, ganyan. So, how would you deal with a heartbreak healthily?
Ideally talaga, tama yung sinabi ng ating mga guests, no, na talagang sana may support system tayo. Sana.
Yes.
On the off chance naman na mag-isa ka lang talaga, you don't open up. So I think as much as possible, you find something to do. Mag-bike ka, mag-travel, shopping, whatever it is
Yeah.
that you find as catharsis
Yes.
para
Catharsis,
balance
yes.
yung yung sistema mo. So do it. Wag ka
Yeah.
magmumukpok sa kwarto. Definitely wag mapatay ilaw, wag
Oo.
mag-isa sa kwarto.
yes.
Go out and do something. At least slowly but surely you'll find your balance
Totoo.
ulit. Pero wag lang sana mag-isa ka. I mean, wag kang sana magkulong sa kwarto na umiiyak ka lang. So go out and do something kung wala kang support system.
Yes. And para din sa mga taong talaga, nahihirapan din mag-share sa friends and family nila. It's okay to be sad. Embrace nyo muna man na maging malungkot kayo, na na ma-experience nyo muna yung heartbreak. And tama si Coach na eventually, ayan, lumabas kayo. Gawin nyo yung mga
Oo.
bagay na nagpapasaya sa inyo nung dating wala pa yung nung
Nung
wala pa
wala
yung
pa
heartbreak
siya.
na yan, then wala pa siya, 'di ba? So, para mabalik din yung balance mo in life and para makapag-progress ka in life.
Right.
Yes.
Actually, yung follow-up question ko doon is, how did you guys find out na this relationship will not work out? Like,
Yes.
what was that parang
Peak point.
decision-making moment na parang, no, ayoko na nito. Ayoko na.
Sukdulan.
Sukdulan na. Okay, Mylene.
When it comes to relationship kasi, gusto ko laging may growth. Like, I'm very young pa, so I know na madami pa akong pagdadaanan sa buhay. So, my main priority is growth in every aspect. Same with my relationship. Kaya, when I stop a relationship, because it keeps on circling. Like,
Mhm.
paulit-ulit na lang tayo sa ganitong scenario and nothing is happening. Like, parang walang pagbabago talaga. That's when I know na I have to stop that relationship. Kasi it's not helping me to grow na.
Not helping you to
Yes.
grow. Ikaw, Hermione, what would
Mhm.
you say is like, it's a no-go for me na? Ayoko na nito.
Well, actually, same scenario din sa opinion ni Mylene. Ganun din yung naging basehan ko nun to stop the relationship is yung nasasabi mo naman, navo-vocal out mo naman yung problem
Mhm.
and it just keeps on happening.
Oo.
And minsan, intentionally na.
Yeah.
And yun yung naging basihan ko nung na-observe ko na intention mo na siyang gawin sa akin. And dun na ako nag-set ng boundary sa sarili ko na ay ayoko ng ganito.
Oo.
So,
Oo.
nag-try akong i-vocal na ayoko nang ituloy kung
Does that
paulit-ulit
work?
lang.
Like when you say it, does that work?
I think depende na lang kung sino yung partner mo eh.
So depende naman yan
Depende niya
sa
talaga.
receiving end.
Oo,
Yes.
actually.
Kasi
Yeah.
if na-vocal out mo naman, nasabi mo naman, and your partner,
May
it's
or
good.
may not listen.
Yes.
Yeah.
And if tanggapin nila and mag-decide sila to stop that, doon mag-work yung relationship
Relationship.
and it
Yes.
will continue to grow.
Yeah.
Pero if yung partner mo is kahit vinocal out mo na and it's nothing happened.
Oo.
Eh di hindi siya yung for you. Charot. Hindi siya yung for you.
Yes.
Totoo. Pero dumating ba sa part ng buhay nyo or point ng buhay nyo na naloko kayo tapos binalikan nyo ulit?
Oo. Oo nga.
How was
dami
the
nangyari
experience?
yun. Ano na?
Yes, kasi
what would you
maraming
say?
ganyan sa schoolmates natin, di ba?
Oo. Mylene, ikaw.
Mylene, ikaw.
Yung iba yung tawa ni Mylene eh.
Not only one.
Wow! Ayun
Ganun
lang.
siya.
Edmar.
Yun lang. Not only once, more than twice. Charot. Ikaw, Hermione. Never. Okay, she got wiser. Medyo siya, may balik
Malay
pa
mo
ng
may chance pa
onte.
magbago,
May
oo.
balik pa ng onte. How would you suggest, coach, na they deal with that? Kasi yun nga, may bait pa rin. Paminsan parang kahit alam mong hindi siya good for you, parang gusto mo pa rin bumalik. How do you get over a heartbreak and like trying to get back with the wrong person?
Bago ko makalimutan, guys, to mention that, yung lagi kong ina-advocate sa channel ko sa TikTok ko na, if you're not happy, alone, single, hindi ka pa rin magiging happy with the relationship, with the partner.
Right.
So, sabi ko, gusto ko laging ituro na, yung partner mo dapat nagdadagdag na lang sa happiness mo.
Additive lang.
Additive lang siya.
Yes.
Additive ba tama ba yung term
Additive.
ko?
Pagkain, George.
Pagkain. Dapat, kung ano yung, let's say 100% ka na, magiging 200, 300.
Oo.
Pag nababawasan yung happiness and
Happiness.
peace mo, that's one of the signs na,
Yeah.
kanina we mentioned about feeling less about yourself, feeling insecure. So if that's happening already within that dating or in a relationship, medyo mag-iisip na ako na, parang hindi na ako masaya. Parang
Oo.
nababawasan, parang hindi ako peaceful sa
Yeah.
isip. So again, yun yung gusto kong sabihin na, again, please make sure you are happy, alone and single, then you can accept someone to add on to your happiness and your peace.
Right.
Yes.
But then, yun nga, coach, like, in their cases that they experience a heartbreak, they still want to go back to that same situation, how would you want them to get over that?
Iba-iba tayo ng learning curve na.
Yeah,
Iba-iba yung learning curve natin.
Coping.
Iba, kailangan pa 10 mali.
Yeah.
Diba?
Bago ma-on
So, I have
Ang konti ng 10 Bente natin.
that is the reality. That's the reality.
Totoo.
Kahit nga sa school, di ba, hindi natin maintindihan yung subject
Yeah.
natin. So, I have nothing against them trying as much as possible, as many times as possible, pero sana
Correct.
konti lang.
Oo.
As long as hindi ka pa self-destructive or
Yes.
you're not self-harming, I think, sige, ulit mo lang.
Go ka lang.
Sige lang, magkamali ka. Madapa ka lang ng madapa.
Kasi nga, iba-iba tayo ng learning pace. Minsan,
Oo.
Yes.
iba mabilis matuto, iba medyo nadidaling
Yeah.
natuto. So, as long as you are learning kahit pa paano with the mistakes pero kung repetitive na talaga, mag-iisip na ako dun.
Right.
Kasi
Medyo-
ikaw na yung mali.
parang
Mapaisip
gano'n, parang
ka na.
gano'n.
Ikaw
Or
yung
find
problema.
yourself muna.
Correct,
Gano'n.
Yes.
correct.
Pero coach, balikan ko lang yung dapat masaya ka bago ka umenter ng isa pang relasyon para
Yes.
madagdagan yung kasiyahan mo. Pero paano naman yung mga taong, kunwari, from heartbreak sila, tapos sinalo sila ng someone? Parang, parang,
But yung tao niya iba.
Parang
Siya
ginawang-
yun. Siya yun.
para ba sakit, ginawang panakip butas.
Yung rebound.
Yes.
How would you say, is that wrong? In
Um,
essence, or no?
I also said in one of my videos na hindi totoo yung 3-month rule. I don't think na may 3-month rule. Again, sabi ko nga, iba-iba tayo ng pacing, iba-iba tayo ng learning curves. May iba pagka-break pa lang, okay na ako. Kasi na, let go ko na eh. So,
Yes.
not necessarily mali or rebound lang yung kung sino man yun. James.
Oo nga, kasi na.
Sino man yun.
Kaibigan ko yun. Oy, na-shoutout na.
Pero yun, going back to your question, not necessarily, ay, rebound ko lang ito. Siguro at peace ka na talaga after that heartbreak or after that pain. So,
Yes.
kung tapos ka na dun sa relationship, and sana tapos na siya sa relationship, tapos na yung chapter na yun, para, kasi misconstrue nga talaga siya rebound eh. Parang sabi siya ganun. But, again, personally, I think that there's no such thing as 1 month rule, 2 month rule, or 1 week rule. After a breakup, after a relationship, and you're okay, you can move on to the next.
And very
Yes.
clear lang dapat yung
Yes,
oo,
iklaro mo lang,
paminsan,
iklaro mo
the
lang.
closure is no
Now,
closure.
actually, gusto ko yan, gusto ko yan.
No closure.
Gusto ko
Pag
yan.
hindi ka na pinansin,
Gusto ko
huwag ka
yan.
na
Gusto ko
umasa.
yan.
Move on ka na sa buhay mo, di ba? Yeah.
Yes. And
So,
ako, feeling ko, ang pinaka-takeaway ko sa... Nautal-utal na.
alam mo yung tawa ni Coach Joe.
Nautal-utal na kasi ginawang rebound. Joke lang.
Okay, ano daw take away mo?
Ano ang main takeaway ko dito? Ang secret sa long-lasting love or relationship is peace. 'Di ba? Kasi kapag may
Pang Miss
peace,
Universe yan, charot.
kasi pag may peace ka sa sarili mo, hindi ka na matututo ka na maging committed. And also, syempre hindi naman perfect yung mga relasyon eh, 'di ba?
Yeah.
May experience natin 'yan along the way habang tumatagal, and of course, nakikilala natin yung isang tao kapag magkasama na kayo sa isang roof. Kasi kapag hindi pa, of course, syempre may pa-holdback pa yan ng mga ugali. Pero kapag nagsama na kayo sa isang bubong, may kilala nyo lahat ng baho, lahat ng kagandahan ng buhay niya. And kaya rin may mga live-in na naghihiwalay. And may mga live-in din na nagkakatuluyan hanggang kinasal sila. And
True.
kapag may peace sila sa buhay nila, mas nagtatagal yung relasyon. Kasi payapa ka na eh, 'di ba?
Oo.
Parang ano pang hihilingin ko kung masaya naman ako sa relasyon na meron ako. And
Right.
yung partner ko, na-assure ako na ako lang talaga, na
Mm-mm.
and may peace ako na kasama siya, ganun. May
Yeah.
peace ako sa lahat, parang hindi ko na iniisip kung ano ba yung mangyayaring masama bukas kasi assure ako na wala, 'di ba? Na
Correct.
parang may peace of mind ka.
Yun talaga yung wishlist niya para sa partner.
Talagang binukal pa dito, no?
joke lang. Pero syempre, ako ang dami ko rin natutunan from this episode. Kasi nakita ko yung
Yes.
iba-ibang stages ko rin when it comes to dating and loving people. Kasi parang people always think na there's nothing wrong with me. It must always be the other person.
Right.
Pero sometimes, when you love other people, you sometimes realize, wait lang, meron pa pala akong dapat i-fix sa sarili ko. 'Di ba?
Mm-mm.
And the best kind of love is sometimes, even if it didn't end well, it made you learn something. And I think that's still
Yes.
love, diba? And at the end of the day, sa mga Gen Zs, you always carry a piece of whoever loved you and whoever you loved with you. So you
Yeah.
have to make sure that it's good. Kasi whatever it was, that experience should make you be a better person,
Right.
'di ba? Kasi ayaw mo naman na nagre-regress ka, 'di ba? Lahat uma-advance, ikaw medyo girl, medyo magising ka, 'di
Keep
ba?
up.
Keep up tayo diyan, 'di ba? So yun lang. So sana wag din puro love, guys. Ano din,
Yes.
self-growth din, self-improvement para yung dinedemand nyo to your partner or whoever will be your future partner, you deserve it. Kasi
Yeah.
you also step up to that standard. Huwag kang maghihingi ng hindi mo kayang ibigay. Diba?
Ganon.
Dapat ganon. Diba? And with that, gusto ko magpasalamat sa guest natin.
Yes, thank you so
Mylene
much,
Hermanian
Mylene.
po. Coach
And
Joe!
Coach Joe!
Ito talaga, ang ating MVP in this episode.
Yes,
Diba?
and of course, maraming salamat din po, BP Studios!
Yes, for making this episode
Thank
come
you
alive.
so much po.
Sa ating mga guests and ating mga people behind the screens, thank you. Feeling ko iyak na sila
Yes.
sa haba ng episode na to. And with that, sa bawat kwento, bawat issue, may boses tayong mga kabataan.
Sumali, makinig at makiisa dahil ang bawat opinion natin ay mahalaga.
Kaya naman, sabay-sabay nating isigaw sa buong mundo. Schoolmates, sabay-sabay tayo. May pakialam ka! Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.